Winter feels like an ending. The beds are empty. The soil looks quiet. The garden appears asleep. But this is actually where the garden begins. Spring gets all the credit because it's loud and visible. Seeds sprout, leaves unfurl, life announces itself. But winter is where the real decisions happen. The kind that shape the entire growing season. Today on Natural Earth Living, we're talking about why winter, not spring, is the best time to plan your garden, and how working with the season instead of against it leads to healthier plants, better harvests, and far less stress. 1. Winter gives you clarity in spring. Everything feels urgent. Seed packets pile up. Garden centers tempt. The pressure to get things in the ground takes over. Winter removes that noise. With bare beds, you can finally see where sunlight truly falls, which areas stayed soggy, which spaces were underused. What struggled last year, winter turns the garden into a map instead of a puzzle. 2. The soil is still working, even when it looks frozen and lifeless. The soil is alive. Microbes shift, roots decompose. Organic matter settles. Planning now lets you think about compost placement, soil amendments, mulching strategies, crop rotation. Spring planting without winter planning is like building a house without checking the foundation. 3. You avoid overplanting. Spring excitement leads to crowded beds. Winter planning encourages restraint. You can realistically decide how much you'll actually eat, what grew well versus what didn't, which plants deserve space again. The result is fewer weak plants and stronger harvests. 4. Winter planning saves money. Impulse buys happen in spring. Winter planning lets you reuse seeds you already have. Choose varieties suited to your climate. Avoid buying plants you don't have space for. A thoughtful winter plan often cuts garden costs in half. 5. Nature rests. And so should you. Gardening isn't meant to be constant motion. Winter invites reflection, observation, intention. When you plan now, spring becomes joyful instead of frantic. You already know what to plant, where it belongs, and why it's there. The garden doesn't start when seeds hit soil. It starts when we slow down enough to listen. If this video helped you see winter differently, tap like, subscribe for more seasonal wisdom. And tell me in the comments, what did your garden teach you last year? Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. Gardening practices vary by region and climate. Always consider your local conditions when planning or planting.